So guys, welcome to my channel. How to install the driver brother DCP-T226. Okay, search any browser to Google. Okay, then first link, this is official weather.in. Okay, so go to right click to new tab and go to this tab, scroll down and click to support, then download driver. Okay, and this is operating system Linux, Mac and Windows 7. Okay, select your operating system, then click. Okay, so full driver and software pack, so almost 280. So in this, all the software with your driver. This is only for drivers. Okay, and this is firmware, tools, utility and all. Okay, this is management tool. So this is also you can troubleshoot. We are facing some issues in, okay, monitoring tool and like that. So we have try to full drivers package install. Click on this, go to slow down and click like it to download. Now this is downloading. Then guys, go to location, then double tick. Now this is extracting decompress on these locations. Okay, means same locations, you can check in below, automatically create the file. Open this, and this is installations file. Okay, so you can install this dot install UI .exe. So when you right click to run as administrator, open this window after that, and then click to next. I agree this license, then next. Okay, so now this is connections, create and connect to your printer with your printer to your system with cable. Okay, and then next to install. After it completed, then restart your system like that. Now this is finding and